Documentation Center. Introduction. The Philosophy Documentation Center is a documentation center that specializes in the development, implementation, and management of customized publishing and membership solution for scholarly publications and their sponsoring organization. It is established in 1966, located at Bowling Green State University in Ohio. PDC has been an independent non-profit corporation since 2001. It is relocated in Charlottesville, Virginia in 2001. This is the pic of this documentation center. Mission. Its mission is to increase access to the widest possible array of scholarly materials in this area in a fair and sustainable manner. Services. First one is electronic publishing and digitization. Second is journal advertising. Third is licensing and permissions. Fourth one is mailing list. Fifth is membership services. Sixth is conference exhibits. Seventh is subscription fulfillment. Online services, online voting tools for members using current membership data in real time, online membership directories with individual branding and, if preferred, email alerts for the latest issue of publication with programmed links to each articles, customized programming services. Activities. Its activities has expanded to include the publication and distribution of scholarly journals, conference proceedings, reference works, databases, and other materials in applied ethics, philosophy, religious studies, and related fields. It also provides a variety of membership services for professional association in these fields. Available services include digitization of journal, books, series and archival collections, budget planning, digital workflow management, secure hosting, and support for a range of both institutional and individual online access options. Products. It provide various products like e-collection, full text of journal series and other publication from several countries. Most content is in English. However, material is available in other languages also, like French, German, Spanish, Korean, Russian, Chinese, and other languages. World Congress of Philosophy Collection. PDC provides online access to proceedings volume published after every World Congress of Philosophy from 1900 to the present. This collection currently contains over 200 volumes. Tech Philosophy 101. PDC hosts its open access collection of teaching resources for the benefit of the entire academic community. All materials on the site are freely available with the open source license. Partnership with PhilPapers. PDC has maintains and support PhilPapers, the largest open access resource in philosophy, with over 2 lakh registered users. PDC has contributed over 1 million bibliographic records to this project and manages the institutional subscription program. International Directory of Philosophy, an online database containing current information on all journals, publishers, research centers, professional organizations, and the university departments involved in teaching or production of philosophical works, includes contact information of over 35,000 philosophers worldwide. It provides an extensive international overview of ongoing philosophical activities. Poesis, Philosophy Online Series. It is a subscription-based service for libraries that provide access to full text of hundreds of issues of a selection of philosophy journals and series. It was established in 1966. All available text is fully searchable and displayed in PDF or HTML format. Jetterbooks. It is an international publishing house in the humanities that publishes quality scholarly content in a broad range of area. The Philosophy Documentary Center provides online access to all publication, including journals, serials, monographs in several languages. Publication. Some example of publication provided by this documentation center are After Dinner Conversation, Philosophy Ethics Short Story Magazine. It is a monthly fiction magazine of original philosophy and ethics short stories, available in multiple formats and supported by podcast discussion. Directory of American Philosopher 2021 print. It is 30th edition, and it provides a listing for university and college philosophy programs, academic journals, philosophy research centers, professional organization, and philosophy publisher in United States and Canada. First published in 1963 and published by the Philosophy Documentation Center since 1972. It is a biannual publication with its companion volume, The International Directory of Philosophy and Philosopher. International Directory of Philosophy and Philosopher, 2019 to 2020, 21st print edition. It provides extensive information on philosophical activity of Africa, Asia, Australia, Europe, and Latin America. It contains listing of thousands of university and college philosophy programs, research centers, professional societies and association, academic journals, and a philosophy publisher in 120 countries. Originally published with the aid of UNESCO and published from the Philosophy Documentation Center since 1972. International Journal of Philosophical Practice. It publishes articles, case studies, and review that contribute to understanding of philosophical practice in its diverse form. It is published by National Philosophical Counseling Association in cooperation with Ramnarine Royal College. Journal of Continental Philosophy. The Journal of Continental Philosophy is a peer-reviewed venue for original work in this rich tradition. It publishes research from established academic of senior standing as well as emerging scholars, and will also include essay in translation by key figures in continental philosophy. This journal is published by Philosophy Documentation Center in cooperation with Western Sydney University. Second example is National Documentation Center, EKT. It is a CRIS Documentation Center. Its introduction. National Documentation Center is a public organization that promotes knowledge, research, innovation, and digital transformation. As a digital and natural infrastructure of national scope, its institutional role is to collect, organize, preserve the entire Greek scientific research and cultural output, content, and data, disseminating it at both national and global level. It is established in 1980, funding by United Nations Development Program, located at National Health Research Foundation, Greece. Official languages are Greek and English. Supervision by Ministry of Digital Governance. By employing modern technology infrastructure, high level know-how, and highly skilled personnel, EKT collects, documents, disseminates solid, eminent digital, scientific, and cultural content, measure and monitors the Greek ecosystem of research, technology development, and innovation, supports enterprises to network to become extrovert and collaborate with scientific community, contributes activity in a national strategic planning for open science and open access, support the dissemination of knowledge in Greece, and promotes the development of its human resources. This is the pick of this documentation center. Organizational structure. The National Documentation Center of Greece operates under supervision of Ministry of Digital Governance, provide a wide range of information about research and innovation issues,
It is
support Greek
governance. It is
governance. No, ma'am, it's governance. This is
Sure.
the spelling I found on the site.
Okay, sure, na?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It provide a wide range of information about research and innovation issues, support Greek participation in national and European programs, promote innovative entrepreneurship, and produce statistics and indicator on research development and innovation in Greece. The management bodies of EKT are the administrative board. Mission.
Sorry to interrupt, Hemanti. Sorry to interrupt. Ma'am, can we ask questions in between the presentation?
No, at the end.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Mission. To collect, document, disseminate, and provide long-term preservation of quality in digital content and data produced by Greek scientific research and cultural communities. To measure output and the results of research technology development and innovation system and its comparison to European and international equivalents. To follow through the broader national objective to exploit research results and innovation for public sector reforms, developing the economy and solving social problems. To ensure the continuous operation of national electronic infrastructure, providing friendly access to reusable and reputable information, the collection and availability of data and production of statistics for RDI increase, and to offer the range of services for research, academic, educational, and business communities. Vision. Its vision is to make scientific knowledge accessible to all while developing and strengthening its activity to disseminate with a few limitations as possible existing and future knowledge so that it can be reused for research, education, development, innovation, and society. Services. The ESF provides a range of services to the Greek research, academic, and business community of the country. It in the context of its three pillar of activities. First one is e-content EKT, digital content and services, matrix EKT, RTD indicator and statistics, innovation EKT service for networking, cooperation, and development. Digital content. Digital library service of science, technology, and culture. Bibliographic reference service, citation index, and bibliometric indicators service. Document delivery services and interlibrary loan. Reading room, KTH DIMRAS. Electronic reading room, educational activities, National Union Catalog of Scientific Journals, National Network of Science and Technology Libraries. Services for organization, like National Archives for a Greek PhD thesis, EKT publishing, journals, books, conference proceedings, CRIS system, current research in information system, openarchives.gr, agro portal. Search services, digital collection and platform, open access journal and selected sources EKT, National Archive of PhD thesis, AgroPortal bibliographic database, and national international indexes, searchculture.gr, digital library, and EBEKT OPAC, Humanities and Social Science Index, online learning repository for educational resources, EKT digital database, EKT library e-journal, EKT e-publishing, e-journals, book conference proceedings, openarchives.gr, digital repositories. Indicators and statistics RDI. Statistic and indicator of research and development in Greece, bibliometrics, analysis of Greek publication in international scientific journals, Greek publication in European programs, interactive charts, geographical documenting of data indicator per Greek region, research, innovation, and entrepreneurship, tender, national and European research programs, business and technology corporation, Greece and Europe, automatic updates, business and technology corporation, research and development issues like e-newsletter. Publication. Open access to all the publication with research, innovation, and digital content. Our publication include topic-based studies, reports, guides, manual, covering digital content, open access, open data, research, innovation, and entrepreneurship. There are three types of publication: annual reports, research and development indicator and matrices, informational publications. Two examples of information publications are Innovation, Research, and Technology magazine. It is started in 1996 and published as quarterly publication. From 2002, in English summary of the main article has also been included. E-newsletter EKT, fortnightly e-newsletter, and its publication fortnightly e-newsletter, and it includes research, scientific, educational, business community of the country as well as the wider public. Publication of indicator and statistic of EKD. Few examples are statistics for Doctor Who graduated from Greek universities in 2019. Technology transfer office increase a first impression. A key research development indicator for expenditure and personal in 2019 increase preliminary data. Research and development indicators for expenditure and staff in 2017 increase. Key indicator for innovation increase companies 2016 to 2018. Preliminary data. Guides and manuals, few examples are digitization and digital archive specification, legal publication patent application guide, legal publication international trademark deposit guide. Publication for libraries. It also provides a few publication for libraries like a practical guide to Dewey Decimal Classification, guidelines for public library building, a Greek version of Dewey Decimal Classification, guides to school libraries created within the framework of EPEAK. This is the reference.
Okay.